Okay, in this bowl, we've got 1 cup and 1/4 of a cup of powdered sugar, 12 strawberries, and 2 tablespoons of butter. And we mixed it with a mixer, and this is what result is. Okay, in this, we've got 2 handfuls of blueberries. This is our homemade blueberry cheese Danish. We made on the 10th. We baked it on the 11th. And today's the 12th. And we're going to make another glaze for the top of it. And all we done yesterday after we baked it was put powdered sugar and water on top of it. That's all we done to make this shiny glaze on it. And it baked in the oven at 375 for 25 minutes. Or maybe 350 for 25 minutes. I don't know. But we're going to finish this up, and we'll be right back with you. Okay, I put them 2 handfuls of blueberries in the microwave for 1 minute. And then I'm adding a little bit of powdered sugar, and I'm going to stir it up, and that's what we're going to put on top of this. And we're going to bust them as we're doing it. Okay, we're going to do this. Okay, we're going to put our glaze over here that we got in here. We're going to do the same thing with this. Okay. Thanks for watching. This is Tanya's Home Cooking on YouTube. Here's what it looks like. Here's my piece from yesterday that I cut, and here's what it looks like today. Please give me a like and a share. Watch my video all the way through of how I made this. And go on my community page and read all my stuff on my community page. We've got a thing going on right now. If you, by December, if you send me a letter, card, or something with your name, address, and phone number, you will be entered in for a prize. I'm not saying what it is, and I'm not going to tell them what it is till December the 25th. So if you want a chance, get on my community page, read my address, send me a stamped envelope with your name, address, and phone number on it, and read how you do it. It is on my community page. Please go to my community page and read everything I've done. I just don't post videos. I do it on community page too. Please like and share. If you ain't already, leave me a comment. And also, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. All my work is all me doing it. I do not edit nothing out. Thanks for watching. Bye.